Hello everyone, Christian here. The decline of traditional advertising to promote your business, coupled with the rise of social media, is giving new life to affiliate marketers. But how can you tap into this opportunity? Let's find out. In this video, I want to do several things. One, I want to explain what is affiliate marketing, what the program actually is, how to create an affiliate program for your store, and some best practices on how to run a successful affiliate program. You definitely want to stick towards the end because I'm going to talk about some apps that you want to integrate to your Shopify store in order to run an affiliate program effectively. And then we're using affiliate marketing here, but this also, and some of the apps even that we mentioned towards the end, they do talk about influencer marketing, right? So influencer marketing is more of a newer term, but affiliate has been for a long time. We've had affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing, the essence of it is a reward-based system, right? So it could be a little bit different from influencer marketing, but you'll see that a lot of the same similarities you'll see between affiliate and influencer-based marketing. Now with affiliate marketing, like I said, is a reward-based system, and it encourages your partners, whoever you partner with, to promote your products in exchange for a commission. Now, a customer or an advocate or an industry marketer or whatever signs up for your affiliate program and then sends visitors to your Shopify store through their special referral link. And any sales that you make as a result of their promotion then ends that person a reward. So an affiliate program will pay via flat dollar amount or a percentage of the total sale. But incentives could also be free or even discounted products for those affiliates. It has worked in the past. So it's a win-win for both parties, right? You get an increased revenue, you get new eyeballs to your store, and your affiliate partner gets a percentage or maybe a flat fee based on how many people they get to your store to purchase. I guess the question would be, is affiliate marketing good for any business? And it may not be. If you have a small profit margin, then it may not make sense for you. So it would be difficult for a business owner to pay affiliates and turn a profit, right? If they have such small margins. So affiliate programs need to pay a portion of each sale in order for it to be worth the promoter's effort and money. And depending on their approach to promote your products, it may even cost them some money, right, to get people to your store. So one of the best ways to find out if an affiliate program is a good fit for your business is to check, see if other companies within your industry have actually created them. So that's just like a quick glance. You can kind of see if other people in your industry, within your niche, are actually using affiliate marketing. If they're not, then that could be a good indication that it may not be a viable solution for your business. Now, before we move on to actually create an affiliate program, I just want to say bienvenidos. My name is Christian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding. We're an e-commerce growth agency that specializes in helping clothing stores grow and scale profitably online. We drop new videos every week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. So how to create an affiliate program. Now, before we move into the actual apps, I do want to touch on a couple of things here. First is you probably would want to choose high average order value products to promote. So think a 10% commission on an $80 product is more attractive than a 10% commission on a $5 one, right? So when it comes to affiliate marketing, maybe a good idea not to necessarily do all of your products. You can definitely handpick and hand select certain items that will sort of bring the most bang for your buck and with the most bang for your buck to your affiliates as well. After deciding that, you also want to decide on the affiliate pricing and commission structure. Ideally, cash is king, so it's going to be the most appealing reward for all your affiliates. But we've seen some e-com brands get away with giving away free products or offering a store credit. So depending on how invested, right, your affiliates are within your offerings, right? So for example, we don't necessarily have Bit Branding as a company, right? We have affiliates for things like software, right? Whereas if they offer us a discount on the software that we are already using, then that's just like a great win-win for everyone involved. Now, if you can't offer cash, then next step is to create some sort of rate, right? So two ways you can go about this is percentage commissions or flat rate commissions. Some of the most common percentage commissions average between 5 to 30%. Now, in the clothing industry, you can probably expect somewhere around the 10 to 15% commission for your affiliates. Now, let's select or see what apps are available within the Shopify store. But before we do that, I want to talk to you about Hotjar. When it comes to your website, numbers tell you what's happening, but Hotjar's visual insights tell you why it's happening. So imagine being able to see recordings of how your customers are using your website, where they're clicking, how far they're scrolling, and visually see where they're getting stuck. With Hotjar, you can easily uncover opportunities for optimization, spot problems with your customer experience, prioritize changes that matter, and easily convince your team because you're gonna have all the hard data, all the visuals right there in front of you. Hotjar is a critical tool to understand your users and identify any pain points. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to try out Hotjar today. All right, so some of the apps that we recommend for affiliate marketing and the management, right, of your affiliate program. Number one is going to be UpPromote. And then again, with a lot of these apps, you have the ability to do sort of ambassador, influencer, referral, and affiliate right within the app. So you can actually control several different programs, if you will, depending on what you're offering, right, for those people. Because they could be just slightly different from, for example, influencer and affiliate and or referrals, right? Like when it comes to referrals, you're basically thinking more about, and you may have seen this when you reach the checkout after the checkout, the thank you page, right, of the store, and then they offer you a, hey, give this link to a friend and your friend will receive $5 off and you will receive $5 off. So it's like a, yeah, I want to do that. So you're not necessarily signing them up for something long-term. It's just like a quick referral for those people. So something like referrals is going to be something that you'll be able to do with, I think, every single one of these apps. But yeah, the first one is going to be UpPromote Affiliate Marketing. Probably has some of the most reviews and 5 stars that I've seen on any store. So, and they also have a good sort of different plans, right, for you. So on the free plan, you can do up to 200 referral orders per month. So that's sort of like your biggest thing here. And then unlimited affiliates and referral links can be created with the free plan. And obviously then it tiers up into different plans in here. Now, I will say that the rest of these apps, for example, GoApp Pro, affiliate marketing, this one's probably the most that I've seen installed on stores. Also has a lot of reviews, a lot of good 5-star reviews, and it will help you create all these things. The pricing plan is a little bit more simplified. So you have the free plan and then you have the $24 a month for just a little bit bigger or maybe a little bit better features. But for this one, you'll probably be good using just that free plan for a long time. Next up, we have automatically referral and affiliate. This is actually about the people who created AfterShip. Again, really good reviews, a really good star rating. And then this one is absolutely completely free, but it's probably one of the newest ones. So we haven't really tested or done too much with this one. And lastly, we have Refersion. Refersion, also really good reviews, really good star rating. And this one is free to install, but they do have a one flat free plan of $99 a month, really, to kind of help you launch your program. And then there are custom plans available for larger programs. So depending on if you're just starting out, actually I would think Refersion or GoApp Pro will probably be my go-tos. Again, it's one of those things where you want to add the app, test it out for the 14 days, see how it works, see if it's viable for you, a viable solution for you, making sure that the look and feel looks good, making sure that the portals look good, making sure that the actual commission system works good. And once you have all those things figured out, then just kind of making your decision. But both of these, all 4 of these actually, would be pretty good recommendations to start your affiliate program on. Hey, if you like what you see, please consider clicking on the like button. Thank you. Now, after you have your app figured out, you figured out your commissions, you figured out your percentages, now it's time to get some affiliates. You'll probably want to recruit the right kind of affiliates, right? You don't want just anyone and everyone. Obviously, some of the mediums to get there, social media, email marketing, your actual website. You can use even affiliate websites like Share a Sale or Rosarun Marketing in order to get you some of those affiliates. Now, within social media and email marketing and your website, it's just important to have all the information up front. So with these apps, you actually have the ability to just add a link to your footer that says affiliates, right? Or something like that, where you actually can give them the information on to sign up for your affiliate marketing. This is what you need to do. These are sort of the requirements that we have. And this is sort of like the pay structure, right, for affiliate partners. And just have all the information right within your website. That's gonna be number one. Just have it available for them. And then you can use email marketing in order to even reach out personally, right? And maybe you have seen some people that will match the affiliate program perfectly. So you can also just send them some emails, send them some messages via social media, and get them to try to sign up for your affiliate program. It usually works out pretty well. Again, if you have a good structure in place, then it's sort of a no-brainer for them, right, to do that for you. And obviously with social media, you also want to make sure that you're promoting it, right? And making sure that you're letting your customers know that you offer an affiliate program for your store. Now, the next step after that is also managing your affiliates. And that's why a lot of these apps are going to be very important, because you'll have the ability to, once you've actually recruited your affiliates, you want to keep tabs on them, right? And check out their performance and how they're doing. Obviously, regular communication is going to be essential to establishing like a good, strong affiliate program. This can happen via email, as whatever the preferred method of communication may be. But you want to make sure that you keep that line of communication open, and it's not just like a set it and forget it. You want to make sure that your affiliates know the rules of the program, that they become familiar with your brand. And in the long term, if you can actually create content for them, right? Create the graphics, create the banners for, maybe he's a blogger, right? You create the banners for their website, create the content for them. You're just helping yourself at that point, right? So creating some sort of database with all this information that your affiliates are just able to plug and play and use, is gonna be huge for them, right? And in order to also like keep tabs of them, like it's also important to see what's working and what's not working, right? So like you see an affiliate who's doing just amazing out the gate, and again, if you don't keep track of it, you won't know what's working and what's not working. So you're able to maybe create different things for your other affiliates because it's working for this one affiliate, right? So your affiliates won't be able to communicate with each other, but you will be able to communicate individually with them and give them the best practices in order to just fulfill a better affiliate program for both parties. So that's going to be very, very important when you're managing your affiliates. It's understanding the effectiveness of your affiliate program in order to get that sustainable success with it. And then also some metrics that you'll want to consider paying extra attention will be the total affiliate sales, sales per affiliate, the average order size, total payout, gross margin, total number of affiliates, etc. All those things are going to be important numbers that all these apps that we have here are going to be able to give you, and that you want to make sure that you're following through and making sure that you put it as part of your sort of weekly or maybe monthly report, right, to keep track of your affiliate program. Hopefully, I've given you enough information here that you can create your own affiliate program and choose the right app within here, choose the right percentages, test it out, see how it does for you. And if it does well, or if you have any additional questions, please let us know in the comments below. We'll see you on the next one.